guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to give you guys a typical, as you can see, morning routine in my life during this quarantine time. So it's real, so that's why I'm looking this like this. I don't look no better in the mornings, so might as well give it to you real. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Let's get into the video. So you can text him?
No, do it. Yeah, yours, but you know. Yes.
Can I have a fork? Thank you guys for watching this video. It was, as I said, a realistic day in, a morning routine in my quarantine time, being at home. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.